Hi everyone and welcome to the iSpro YouTube channel. We are excited to announce the launch of the new FoxLMS plugin, an all-in-one solution for online course management on WordPress. FoxLMS seamlessly integrates with our WordPress Quiz Plugin, allowing you to create advanced quizzes and attach them to your courses. This makes it easy to assess the knowledge of your course takers of the past material. With FoxLMS, you can create advanced quizzes to test knowledge and provide immediate feedback, award certificates to course takers after the full completion of the course, access separate, customized dashboards for both instructors and students, use Gutenberg blocks to easily structure course and lesson content, track course progress, analyze data, and gain insights through detailed course and quiz analytics, gather valuable feedback in a form of reviews, helping you continuously improve your courses. FoxLMS is designed to provide everything you need to create, manage, and sell your online courses. Whether you are an educator, business owner, or just an individual interested in online learning, FoxLMS gives you the tools to enhance the learning experience for everyone. Let's learn how to create an advanced online course with the FoxLMS plugin. Let's understand how to create an advanced course together. As you can see, I have already downloaded and installed the FoxLMS plugin. Also, by purchasing the FoxLMS, you get the zip file for the QuizMaker plugin and the certificate add-on to award certificates right after the full completion of the course, and of course create quizzes and attach them to the courses. Here you can see different pages available for the FoxLMS plugin, but please note that if you haven't inserted the license key of the plugin yet, only the courses, lessons, and general settings pages will be displayed. And all the other pages will be accessible to you if you insert the license key of the plugin. You can take the license key from your account dashboard. So let's pass on to the creation of the course. If you want to add a new course, just click on the Add New Course button here, and then configure its settings the way you prefer. As we have already created our course, we can just open it and configure the settings in the existing course. As you can see, I have created a digital marketing course. It includes 3 sections: Introduction to Digital Marketing, Understanding SEO and Content Strategy, and Email Marketing and Automation. Each section has several lessons, and of course I have created and attached quizzes so that I can check the knowledge of the course takers of the past material. Here you can see that you can add a lesson to the course. You can add lessons in 2 ways. Either you can click on this button and add lessons like this and then edit them later, or you can go to the dashboard lessons page and add new lesson by clicking on this button. You can also select from existing lessons by clicking on this button, and of course you can attach a quiz to the course by clicking on this button and selecting from the list. To create a new quiz, just head to the dashboard, QuizMaker plugin and quizzes page, and here you need to click on the Add New button. Then configure the quiz settings by writing a title, description, and inserting questions. Also, you can customize the settings of the quiz with these tabs, and the QuizMaker plugin is a very versatile tool, and you can add both advanced quizzes and simple quizzes to your courses. This was the Builder tab of the course. Let's go ahead with the Details tab. Here you can specify the access mode for the course, either free or paid. With the free access mode, the course is protected and the students will need to register and enroll to get access to the course content. And with the paid access mode, again, the course is protected, however, via built-in PayPal integration. Users need to purchase the course to get access to it. In case of the paid access mode, you just need to provide a price, and other settings are the same. You can provide a description here, and you can provide a course duration. Let's go ahead with the settings tab. Here you can see several options. The first one is enroll limit. Here you can specify the number of users who can pass the course. You can set a limitation with this button. We don't need this, so we can remove. Then you can specify the difficulty level of the course, beginner, intermediate, or expert, or you can set all levels if you want. Also, you can attach a certificate to the course. Later on, we will learn how to add a new certificate. You can add a certificate from this select. And the last tab is analytics, where you can see information analytics about the course, like lifetime sales, the number of enrolled students, the number of lessons, quizzes, enrollments in last 7 and 30 days, etc. As we are done with the settings configuration of our course, let's open one of the lessons and understand what settings the lesson offers us. We go to the Builder tab again, and we can open, for example, the first lesson. Here is our first lesson, which is what is digital marketing. As you can see, the lesson is created and developed via Gutenberg Block. That means you can customize it the way you prefer. You can add any content you prefer. You can add images, videos, blocks, anything you prefer. Also, you can add tables if you want. As for our course, we have added an image. We have added some educational content. Also, we have added a table, and we can open the lesson settings here. Here you can see some options. First one is sample lesson. If you tick the sample lesson toggle, then the lesson will be accessible to all users, either guests or logged in. Then you can see the attachments option. Here you can add file or a URL. In this case, we have added a URL. We have written the anchor and inserted the URL. It's a video about digital marketing, and the users can just click on it on the front end and watch the video. So we can apply the changes. That's all. As you can see, both the course settings and lesson settings are quite simple to configure, and we can go ahead with the next pages. The next page we're going to discuss is the certificates. Here you can click on the Add New Certificate button and add your own certificate, but we will discuss the one we have already created. Here is our certificate. Again, it's a Gutenberg block, so you can customize it the way you prefer. You can add your desired message variables here. We will speak about message variables later on. Here we can write a certificate title. We have used the student name, course title, and earn date message variables. We can preview the certificate to see how it looks like. Here is our certificate. So we can go ahead with the next page. And the next page we are going to discuss is the general settings page. Here you can see some tabs. We will discuss each of them one by one. The first one is excerpt words count in list tables. Here you can set the number of words you want to have for the course titles. And the next one is administrator settings. You can enable the auto enroll into courses toggle so that the admin can be enrolled in all courses, and you can upload your logo here. Then we can go ahead with the next tab, which is license. As we have already mentioned in the first part of the video, you need to have the license key inserted in this input so that a plugin can function for you and you can access its materials. You can take the license key from your account on the official website of the FoxLMS after purchasing your desired package. All you need to do is to insert the license key in the input and click on the Activate button. Then we can go ahead with the Emails tab. You can find different options here, from settings, email to students, email to instructors, email to admin. For the From settings, you can specify the sender's name, the email address, and of course the subject. Then comes the Email to Students option. If you enable this toggle, then the students will receive an email notification when they successfully enroll in any of the courses. Let's save the changes and check how the email looks like. This is the email sent to the students when they enroll in any of the courses. The next email sending option is the Email to Instructors option. If you tick this toggle, then the instructors will receive an email notification when someone is enrolled in the courses they created. So we can save the changes and see what the Email to Instructors looks like. Here is the email sent to the instructors when someone has enrolled in a course they have created. And the last section represents emails sent to the admin. The admin will receive emails when the new instructor signs up and the new student signs up. This is the email sent to the admin when a new instructor has signed up on a website. This is the email sent to the admin when a new student has signed up on a website. Once we are done with the settings configuration for the email, we can go ahead with the message variables. Here you can see some message variables which you can use both in the email message, then in a certificate and in a course description. The next tab we are going to discuss is payments. Here you can see that the FoxLMS plugin has an integration with PayPal payment system. We need to tick this toggle and make the PayPal as active. Here you can set up the currency you like. Then we need to click on this button to set up the PayPal settings configuration. Here you can see some settings. We will enable the test mode, and of course also you need to insert the PayPal email, client ID, secret key so that integration can work for you. You can take this data from your PayPal account. So we have already inserted PayPal email, client ID and secret key. What is important in creating a paid course is that you need to set the paid access mode for the course, and for that we can go to the courses page and open the course we want to make paid. For example, digital marketing course. Then go to the details page, and here you need to change the free access mode to the paid and set the price, for example $10, and save the changes. So let's check how the course looks like when it's paid. So the user needs to click on the Take This Course button. By doing so, the checkout page of the PayPal will be displayed for the student, where the student needs to click on the Pay with PayPal button and make a purchase for the course. Only after that the student can enroll in a course and pass the courses. Also, there is one more important factor in creating a paid course. Of course, you will need to check which student has made what payment for your courses, and for that you need to go to the transactions page. Here we don't have any transactions yet. That's why there is no data, but if the student makes the payment for the course, then the transaction details appear on this page and you can view them, access them anytime you prefer. As we are done with the payments tab, we can go ahead to the advanced tab. Here you can see two options: hide course includes data and hide reviews data. If we tick this option, then we can hide the course data on the front end, and if we tick this option, we will hide the reviews part on the front end. We will untick these options. As we are done with the general settings page, we can go ahead and check the analytics page. Here you can see lots of data related to the courses and of course quizzes. The first one is overview, the number of students, instructors, overall courses, average daily enrollment, and overall lessons you have created. Then you can see the sales for the courses you have made. Then you can see some data related to the quizzes, for example, the total quizzes, quiz average score, quiz average duration, etc. And here you can see course data. You can see the most popular courses and least enrolled courses, so that you can understand which course is worth creating and which is trendy among your website visitors. Also here you can see the reviews part. As you remember, in the first part of the video, in the introduction part, we have written a review, and this is the review displayed on this page, on this part. And as we are done with the analytics page, we can go to the reviews page, which is very important to discuss. So what is important mentioning is that when someone writes a review on a front end for the course, the admin of the website must approve the review so that it can appear on the front page. The review is invisible until the admin of the website clicks on the approve button here. As this review has already been approved by the admin, it is written as unapproved. So as we have already discussed the reviews page as well, now it's high time to register as a student and as an instructor so that you can see what dashboards each of them has. The instructor has both the backend and front-end dashboards, and student has only the front-end dashboard. So first let's register as a student. To register as a student, you need to click on the user registration button, and please note that all these 4 menus are added by the FoxLMS plugin automatically when you install it, so that both the instructor and student can register or log into your website. So let's register as a student and check the dashboard. So here is the dashboard for the student. On the dashboard page, you can see the overview, the number of enrolled courses, completed courses, and certificates of completion. Here you can see also the quiz attempts. The student has attempted the following quizzes, and here the questions, the number of questions, correct answers, incorrect answers, grades and results are displayed for the quiz. Then we can go to the courses page. Here you can see that the student has enrolled in a digital marketing course. Then we can go to the certificates page, and here you can see and download your course certificate. And the last tab we're going to discuss is the reviews. Here you can see that the student has written a review for the digital marketing course. Here you can see the date, the rating, and the comment. That's all. This was the dashboard for the student. Now let's register as an instructor and see the dashboards for the instructor. As we already mentioned, the instructor has 2 dashboards, one on a back end and one on the front end. So now let's register. And here is the dashboard for the instructor on a front end. Here you can see the number of enrolled courses, completed courses, certificates of completion. Also you can see the quizzes with its info. Then comes the courses tab, where you can see the enrolled courses and completed courses, then the certificate and the reviews. Now let's see what the dashboard for the instructor on a backend looks like. So in order the instructor can log into the backend dashboard, the admin of the website must approve the instructor's request. Let's register as an admin and approve the instructor's request, and then we will log in as an instructor and see the dashboard. Now we are on the instructors page of the plugin, and we are logged in as an admin, and here you can see that the instructor's role is subscriber. The admin of the website must approve the request so that the instructor can get access to the dashboard, and for that we click on the approve button. Now you can see that the role of the instructor has been changed to Fox instructor. Now we can register as an instructor and see the dashboard. So here is the dashboard for the instructor, and as you can see, the FoxLMS plugin has been installed here, and the following pages are available for the instructor. Here the instructor can create courses, lessons, certificates, see the students and the transactions made for the courses the instructor has created. As you can notice, the Quizmaker plugin is not displayed in the WordPress menu. This is because the admin of the website must set the permission for the instructor to create and manage quiz data. Let me show you this. Here we are logged in as an admin, and if we go to the Quizmaker plugin and then general settings, we will see we will have permission to quiz option. We need to insert the Fox instructor user role in this input so that the Quizmaker plugin can be accessible for the instructor. Let me do this. And we need to save the changes. By doing so, if we log in as an instructor, we will see that the Quizmaker plugin has been added for us. Here you can see that the Quizmaker plugin has been added for the instructor user role. Let me show you one more advanced option you can use as an instructor. You can create a post as an instructor and add all the courses you have created so far to that post. By this, the students can access the courses more easily. Let me show you this. For doing so, we go to the posts and add a new post. Here we can write a title, for example, courses, and then in the block we need to add the FoxLMS course grid. And here you can see the courses created by that instructor. Here we can set the columns as, for example, 4. Then we can publish the post. And here the students can access all the courses created by that instructor easily. The student can click on the desired course and can pass it. For that, the student must click on the Enroll button. That's all. We have discussed all the advanced features the WordPress FoxLMS gives us. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more informative content. Bye!